The objective of this educational program is to help you to successfully make the lifestyle change from working to retirement and achieve your anticipated retirement lifestyle, the best time of your life. The educational program consists of these listed modules that can be found on YouTube. This retirement information is based upon the book called How to Successfully Make the Lifestyle Change from Working to Retirement. The first concept we cover is the difference between an anticipated retirement lifestyle, which we all hope for, versus an actual retirement lifestyle, which we all end up living. Next, we introduce the retirement sense of purpose, which is a critical success factor in expeditiously achieving your anticipated retirement. Then we cover the retirement tipping point experience, which is a specific point in time when all potential retirees determine that it's finally time to retire. Then we highlight the stages of retirement that explains how a potential retiree enters the retirement lifestyle and then transitions through the retirement lifestyle to eventually achieve their retirement routine. Then in the next 3 modules, we highlight the theories and information on what, why, and when a retiree does what they do in their retirement lifestyle. Next, we introduce the 3 key enablers of a successful retirement lifestyle. They are finance, fitness, and fun. And finally, we will highlight a proven retirement transition process that will help you and guide you in making your lifestyle change from working to retirement. I hope you find these modules informative and helpful in expeditiously achieving your anticipated retirement lifestyle that can be the best time of your life. These retirement lifestyle educational videos are based on the book How to Successfully Make the Lifestyle Change from Working to Retirement. The book is available on eBay and Amazon.